In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move project data between Smartsheet and Microsoft Project and choose the right tool for your workflow. To get started, open Smartsheet and prepare your project sheet before making any changes. This is an important first step because a clean, organized sheet makes the transfer process much smoother. Take a moment to review the structure of your project, confirm that your task names are clear, and make sure key columns like dates, owners, and status fields are in place. If your sheet is messy before you transfer data, it usually becomes harder to fix afterward. Next, export or import your project data depending on the way you work. If your project already lives in Smartsheet and you need to continue planning in another platform, exporting may be the right option. On the other hand, if your plan was built somewhere else and you want to bring it into Smartsheet for easier team access, importing will save time. The main idea here is to match the direction of the transfer to your existing process, rather than rebuilding the project from scratch. If you need advanced scheduling features, use Microsoft Project. This tool is especially helpful when your project includes more complex timeline management, deeper dependency control, or detailed scheduling logic. It's designed for users who need a more technical planning environment and more precise control over how tasks interact over time. If you want easier collaboration and dashboard visibility, use Smartsheet. Smartsheet is often the better choice when your focus is on keeping stakeholders informed, updating progress quickly, and giving your team a simpler place to work together. Its interface is generally easier to manage for broader team use, especially when people need visibility without getting deep into scheduling settings. If supported in your setup, import Microsoft Project files into Smartsheet. This can help you bring an existing schedule into a more collaborative environment without manually recreating the entire plan. Once the import is complete, don't assume everything is perfect right away. Carefully review your tasks, dates, and dependencies after importing. This step matters because formatting differences between platforms can sometimes affect how information appears. Check that task durations still make sense, confirm the dates transferred correctly, and look closely at dependency relationships to ensure the project logic remains intact. Finally, adjust the project plan so the data displays correctly. You may need to refine column settings, clean up formatting, or reorganize certain rows so the sheet is easy to read and use. A few final adjustments can make a big difference, helping your project stay accurate, clear, and ready for your team to manage with confidence.